Hey guys, I'm Kimberly from Fat Quarter Shop, and I'm here to unveil the September 2020 Sew Sampler box. Super exciting, you're gonna love it. So when you open your beautiful aqua box, it is the theme of Hidden Gem. In this box, you're gonna receive 6 fat quarters from the Balboa collection, a Sewing Life tea towel that's exclusive to Fat Quarter Shop that was designed and made by Gingerbread just for us. We have a small Applifuse mat so you can try out applique and see how you like the mat, and if you like it, we have bigger sizes available at Fat Quarter Shop. We also have these quilt clips that you can use to roll up your quilt so you can long arm at home. And we partnered with Sherri McConnell and Martingale to bring you this beautiful bag pattern. And you will receive the Greatest Hits Track 6 pattern to make a beautiful 18-inch quilt block. We hope you love what you've received in your Sew Sampler September box, and you can look forward to October. See you then!